guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today we're going to be working on the rear brakes of my Prius. This is a 2013 Prius 3. And this is the first time I'm actually going to be doing brakes on my car. And there's many other videos out there, but maybe I'll find something that nobody else did. So let's get to it. I already took off the Alright, you'll see that there's no meat left on the brake pads, and I know when I bring this baby in for an inspection, New York State inspection, they will tell me that I need brakes, so I am doing them on my own. So it uses 14mm. Now I actually have like a blanket down here, so I'm kind of comfy so I don't hurt myself. All right, so we have to unscrew this bolt here, and this one down here. Okay, and then this should come right off. Very nice. And then if you look carefully, so we have two springs here, but to be very careful about. And these metal pieces here for the brake pads themselves. We can't, they are specific to each side. And there's also a little nipple on the other side of each pad that also slides into the one of the notches of the cylinder for the brake pad. So let's take these out, these springs. See, like that. Oh wow, that's actually interesting. It wore unevenly. Yeah, look at that. This brake pad has nothing, and this one has a whole ton. Holy crap. This is original from Toyota. These pads. That's crazy. I wonder if this is a malfunction of the... Wow, look at that. It's terrible. It really is. Okay, and I'm gonna pop this one out. And we have lube for these things to move a little bit more freely through it. This is the one with the little feeler on it. This is lets you know that you need brakes. So that's actually a bad design, because this one has plenty of meat on it, and the other one's ready to hit the rotor. And this one would not hit the rotor ever, and this one would way before this one and destroy the outside rotor side. That's terrible. Hey. All right, so before we put the new ones on, this is what the new ones look like. These are gold. I got these from AutoZone, Duralast Gold. And they also charged me for brake lubricant for the clips. So I have to put them on the each side of that. So, but before we do that, we have this product here that I bought. It's OEM tools, 2 and 3 pin brake rewind for this type of thing. So we're going to actually put this, take this apart and use this tool, 3/8 nut driver. All right, so we're going to try to spin this down here. It's a slow process. And you want to make sure that this one of these notches is facing down, or that way, that direction. So it's there's a nipple on the back of the brake pad right there, and that's got to line up. Otherwise, you'll be in trouble. It's not gonna line up properly. All right. So we have the brake lubricant, and we're gonna put it on the edges So putting it like this, because sometimes it probably gets stuck. Really? There we go. So I got the pinholes there. That's very important. Put the clip on. Put this back on. Springs. There we could put it on. Okay. That was successful. Okay. Now we could put the tire back on and go to the other side. Alright, so these are the pads of the Prius. Look how thin they are here. And this is the rear side of them. These are the back pads, and these are both front pads. Look how thin they are. Look at that. That is like nothing. Thank God I changed them out. Would have been screwed. See, look how thin they are here. This one's the worst. There's like 1/8 of an inch left here. And then this would have went down to the bare metal and would have screwed up my rotors, yet these are the ones that are ultra thick. So, if you guys like this video, please give me a thumbs up. And if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.